Hey friends, hi, what is up? We are here to do the last cash stuffing of the year. What? Wow. Okay, we're gonna get down to it. I think this video is gonna be really short. I have no sinking funds to stuff. Today is Friday, December 27th. I have a video coming out today, a mini madness video, and then you're going to see this probably Sunday, so it will be a little bit different from my normal schedule, but that's because I took off a few days from filming just because of Christmas. So I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. Let's see what kind of change we have first. Yeah, I hope you had time to do whatever you wanted to do, whether it was spend time with family, be alone, take a nap, just whatever it is. I hope you had some time to do that. And our Christmas was wonderful. Maybe I'll actually put a couple pictures in here. And yeah, the kids loved all of their gifts. It's just the best thing, you know, to see them open their gifts on Christmas morning. And yeah, it's wonderful to be a parent of young kids, especially on Christmas. This is probably about all of the change we're going to have this year. It's not even halfway full, but it's a little bit heavy. So I do want to cash this in one of these days and see how much that is, and then we will put that somewhere. I know I barely have any rollover, which, you know, is fine. Let's see what we have. Oh, like nothing. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19 only out of $150, which is actually kind of surprising considering, you know, it was Christmas and we spent some time at home, but I guess last minute shopping and everything, I guess that's probably why. So that is just going to go right to the side. That's going to go towards savings challenges. If you hear that loud noise in the background, I'm sorry. It's my dryer going, and I am still a little bit stuffy, so if you hear that in my voice, that is why. But yeah, our Christmas was wonderful. We spent a lot of time with family, and yeah, I loved it, and I'm very, very sad that it is over. Okay, this is my bright, undated budget planner. This is the spiral bound version. This, unfortunately, is all sold out in my Etsy shop. I don't think I'm going to bring it back because it's not popular enough to, like, I have to pre-order these, right? So I have to order these, pay for them, and have them sent to me in order to send them to you guys. And I don't think there's enough popularity of these, and I don't want to, like, you know, pay for a bunch of them and then be stuck with them. So I don't think these will be coming back unless, for whatever reason, there happens to become a demand. Then I could order a few, but you can still get this planner. It just won't be the spiral bound version. It is available on Amazon. So that's linked below along with all of my other books that are available on Amazon. And let's see, we're in December. I don't know. I say it every time. I just can't even believe it. It's just crazy. Yeah, we're like not doing anything. Okay, so we're just doing $150 in the wallet, and then that's like it. I do have one finished challenge to stuff, so I am gonna do that. I need some change though, because of course I just go to the ATM and it's just all 20s. So I am gonna have to see if I have some change. And let me try to figure that out. So, yeah, do you all have any plans for New Year's? Let me know. We do not. We do not have a babysitter, so we will be staying home or doing something with the kids. The last 2 years, we actually went to the casino, which was super fun, but again, we don't have a babysitter this year, which is fine. It's absolutely fine. So we don't really have any plans, but if you have plans, let me know, because I'd be interested to know. Okay. All right, I'm gonna have to go through some binders and try to find some change. And let's actually just stuff this, I guess, while we're at it. So this is a savings challenge I finished, I don't know, in one of my last stuffings. These were from Lady Di Saves. And it's 100 and some, and this is going towards vacation. So let's go ahead and stuff that now, and then I'll see if I have any change maybe in that envelope or a different envelope. and we'll go from there. Let's first see if I have any change in here. I have 10, 15, yeah, okay. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. So I'm going to take a 20 and then put this over there. And then I also need to take 10 of that out of my cash. So I'll do that in a minute. All right, so let's see how much we're adding from this finish challenge. Sorry, this is a little bit all over the place. Okay, so 100, 20, 35, 40, 140, 1, 2, 3. 143, which is a great amount. I have a tiny balance on my credit card, like literally maybe 20 bucks. That still needs to be paid, so some of this will come out. Let's see, it's Friday, December 27th. And then this is going towards saving for the big balance, the big boy that is due in January, right around the corner. So yeah, so we should have 193. I wrote this in the wrong spot and I need some whiteout. All right, so let's use some of this whiteout. I got this little set of whiteouts from Temu, of course. And I realized I did this wrong. It's not 190 something because it's 143 plus 125. So we have a little bit more in here. Okay, and you guys, today is the day. Like I said, it's Friday. It's December 27th, 2 days after Christmas. And right after I film, I am going to be taking down my Christmas decorations. I know it is a sad day. I am very, very sad. I think the house is going to look super plain, but they have to come down eventually. And as I said in my prior video, I want to get them down while I am still off of work. So, all right, let's see. So 100, 150, 70, 90, 210, 220, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 255, 56, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 268. And so that is wonderful. And as I said, this is now starting to save for the balance. The balance, as I said, is 1,500, 1,600 or something. And I also need to save for the dog, to board the dog. That's going to be 300 to 400. So we still have tons of saving to do, plus spending money. So yeah, we have a long way to go. Okay, now let's get back to this. I just need $150 for my wallet and then we'll be done, you guys. Very quick video. So coming after this, because again, this is the last paycheck stuffing. So I have one more savings challenge stuffing to film, which I'm going to do right after this. Then we could do our sinking funds totals for December. And actually I could do like a thing where I kind of add up, I guess, all of the months and see how much I added in the year of 2024. That might be fun. But then we have the savings challenge video where I get to total up all of the money I saved in savings challenges in 2024. And I just am so excited for that. I can't wait to film that. Let's see. I think I'll actually do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're going to put 10 aside towards savings challenges, again, just because I can only take increments of 20 out of the ATM, but I only do 150 in the wallet. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 40, 50. Perfect. So 150 going in. And that is it, my friends. A very short one today, but super important. I need to make sure I'm staying on top of my budgeting, even when, you know, I'm not kind of like down here in my office, really not focusing on this stuff. It still needs to get done. It's very important. So these are going to go in my finished savings challenge envelope, which again, I will bring out when we total up how much we saved in 2024. And that is it. Thank you so much for sticking with me and watching till the end. I love you guys. I will see you in the savings challenge video. Bye.